Hello, my crafty friends. This is the project I'll be showing you today how to make it. So let's get started. So I'm using here mixed media paper, and this one is like a Tim Holtz Stampers Anonymous stamps. And then I'm going to use archival ink. So I'm going to take this stamp and then I'm going to use this in this project. This has like nice design on that, so I'm going to just stamp it in the center of the page. Now I'm going to use the other one from that same stamp. I purchased this stamp from Amazon. I'm going to put everything in the description box. I'm going to use this stamp like multiple times, so um, it's like a fun project to do. It's a very easy and fun project. So now I'm going to put away all the stuff. Then I'm going to dry this. Then I'm using another stamp from this uh, same Stampers Anonymous stamp. I like this design stamp in this, so I'm going to use this again. So now I'm going to use this sticker which is from Camphor Tree. I'm going to list this also in the description box. So these are very nice and colorful. And I'm going to pick one from this and add it in this project. See, these are very nice and colorful. I wanted like a long one, so I'm going to use this one. And then I'm going to stamp this first and then color it. This stamp is from Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to color this in the background. I'll be using watercolor. So I'm using gray and blue color in this. If you want, you can even use distress oxide sprays or ink pads. I didn't want to use acrylic ink because it's little opaque, so the you will not be able to see the stamp. So watercolor is the best option. So I'm not going to cover the whole thing, so just lightly I'm going to put it and then I'm going to dry this now. Now I'm going to use the same color and splatter on the top. Then I'm going to dry it. Now I'm going to use this stamp as like a splatter stamp. That gives a good texture in the background. Now I'm going to add this round stamp or circle stamp. Now I'm going to add this a nice, beautiful, colorful sticker. Then I'm going to make sure it sticks nicely. Then I'm going to add this like a border. You can see as a border, or I don't know what it is called as, but it's so beautiful. And I found this in Hobby Lobby in the sticker section. So I'm going to add this in this project. So that gives like a nice gold shine. So I like this very much. So this has different varieties of border design in this. You can use it in different projects. So now I'm going to stamp this bird. Then I'm going to color it. So I'm going to use this watercolor paints, and then I'm going to color it. So I did the fussy cut, and then I'm going to uh, put the black paint and cover the edges. So I'm going to add this. I'm going to finish this project. And then I'm going to add the coat and then finish the project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.